Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to change theme in Shopify. So simply, in order to do this, first of all, what we need to do, just you have to click on online store. Now here you can see the themes option. So here you can click on customize theme. So now you can easily edit this theme, or simply here click on explore themes. Now here you can select theme that you want to add, like I have select this one. Now click on add to theme library. Our theme is being installed. So now click on action button, and here you can see the publish option. So simply click on publish. So now here you can publish this, but before publish the theme we want to get the preview. So simply click on action button and get the preview. So in this way you can easily change theme in Shopify. So here you can check the theme preview.